Right here we have a 1/43rd scale Ford Interceptor sedan. This is the Taurus, technically. Make this a quick video. It's a 1/43rd scale first response. Decaled is a West Manchester Township Police Department out of Pennsylvania. Very basic build. Like I said, just wanted to do a quick video of it, upload for the customer. You wanted it wired for 15 volts AC, which it is, so you can put it on your train layout. You've got two more that I'll do the videos of those in a second, the chargers. So anyway, let's go ahead and put the power to it here real quick. This is just 9 volts, so it's going to be a little bit brighter once you hook it to your train layout with 15 volts running to it, just a little bit brighter. So you have flashing headlights with this one. Just a basic red and blue light bar, and I assume you're keeping this as West Manchester. I don't know. So for those of you watching this going, well, Manchester, they have blue and blue instead of, I don't have no idea what color they have. Just doing what the customer wanted, which is red and blue. So those decals may be getting removed. I don't know. And of course, flashing tail lights on this one as well, which you asked for. So there you have it. Whether the decals are coming off or not, I don't know. You mentioned something about Pennsylvania State Police, maybe their new color. Really, like I said, I really have no idea what you're going to do with it. But anyway, there's red and blue as you asked for. So appreciate it very much. And again, 1/43rd scale first response. So thank you, and have a good night or day, whatever you're having when you watch this. Thank you again.